Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about solving systems of three equations with substitution.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. X plus 3y equals negative 17, 3x equals a negative 6, and 4x minus 3y plus 6z equals 25. We want to solve this by substitution. First thing that pops out to me here is the second equation, 3x equals negative 6. If I divide 3 to both sides, very quickly get x by itself, and negative 6 divided by 3 is a negative 2. So we get one of the values very quickly, which is great. Well, we can take that actually with the first equation. And instead of x, we're going to put a negative 2 in. And now we have plus 3y equals negative 17. And look at that. We have an equation already with just y as the only variable. Simplify this, add a 2 to both sides, 3y equals, well, negative 15. Divide both sides by 3, and y equals negative 5. And quickly, we got two values. So let's just go find our z value, which is just in the last equation. So we're going to rewrite that last equation right here. But instead of x, we're going to put a negative 2. So 4 times negative 2 minus 3. And instead of y, put a negative 5. Plus 6z equals a 25. And now we're just going to solve for z. It's the only variable here. 4 times negative 2 is a negative 8. Negative 3 times negative 5 is a positive 15. Plus 6z equals 25. Negative 8 plus 15 is a positive 7. Plus 6z equals 25. Subtract 7 to both sides. 6z equals 25 minus 7, which is 18. And, well, 18 divided by 6 is a positive 3. So we can put these three values as a coordinate point, negative 2, comma negative 5, and 3. And that's it. Very quickly, actually, we got our answer, final answer of x equals negative 2, y equals negative 5, and z equals 3. I hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.